So it's the time of the year again that we're flying to Taiwan. Hey, so I arrived Taipei. So prior to this, I actually registered for the Taiwan LuckyLand.
Yeah. Wait for a while.
So I can use this for transportation, 7-Eleven, but the thing is I can't top up. But it's okay, 5,000 should last me the entire 5 days of my trip here. That's so cool. It reached 9 AM and then like there's the train sound. So by right I'm supposed to go for an 8 AM day tour, but I booked my tickets late and there's only afternoon slots left. The dining area here is actually quite nice, quite cozy, and the spot is really good to take like pictures. Such a breathtaking view. Going back to the taxi and we'll be heading to Shifen Waterfall first because it closed at 4. Which then we'll go to Shifen to do the lantern thing, and lastly Jiufen for dinner. So basically over here you can find 36 different types of rocks. I'm not sure if I see it all. But I saw the pineapple barn, Tianzhen statue, all these many different types. Part 2 of the journey, Shifen Waterfall. Done with Shifen Waterfall, gonna head to Shifen for the lantern.
Close this way, close this way. You guys 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Hold your face. Yeah. With me, wait. Hold your face. Yep, 1, 2, 3. Happy New Year! Hello. 1, 2, 3. Hold your face. 1, 2, 3. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, on the video. Say 1, 2, 3, let it go. Okay, great. 2, 3, let it go. Bye bye. Oh, bye bye.
I'm now in Taiwan. This is oyster, barbecue oyster. I should use vegan oil to make this. So it's user friendly. This costs 120 NTD. Finally checking in.